Hello friends, I hope you all are doing well. I am Piyush Raja and I am here with a learning series on technical analysis. This is the first video where today we will learn why we should learn technical analysis and the difference between technical analysis and fundamental analysis. So let's begin. First, let's understand the importance of technical analysis and why we should learn it. Technical analysis is related to the financial world, especially the stock market. So, to understand what technical analysis is, we first need to understand what finance is. So, let's explain it in a simple term. Finance means money, which is currently the most powerful entity. In this financial world and the stock market, we learn about money and its psychology, its management, and the investment procedure. How we can make money from money and achieve financial freedom. Look, today everyone wants to be free from the worries of money and also free from the tension of job, especially 10 to 5 city. And only money management can solve all the problem, isn't it? And in the stock market, this is exactly what we learn. So it's clear to everyone why understanding finance is important. Now let's understand the stock market, which is not gambling but a science. The stock market always involves the exchange of money. That's why we can say that the function of money is completely based on the concept of money psychology, which I will explain in details throughout the course. In order to understand the stock market, the market is divided into two part of analysis. First, fundamental analysis, and second is technical analysis. In fundamental analysis, we study the company itself, its valuation, balance sheet, P ratios, etc. Through this, we analyze how the company might grow over next 5 or 10 years. By studying this, we buy the company's share for long terms like 5 years, 10 years or 8 years, depending on our research, and hold them for some times. For example, if we want to buy Tata Motors share, the first thing we need is research. We need to know how the company has performed in the past and what is currently happening. And based on this data, we can predict how the company will perform in the next 10 years. In this research, the company's report, whether annual or quarterly, helps us. These reports gives us detail like balance sheet, P ratios, etc. I have just mentioned a few parameters, but there are many factors that help us to understand the company's performance and helps us to decode the company's valuation. So this was about fundamental analysis. I hope it is now clear to everyone. Now, let's move on the technical side. So we have understood how we can evaluate a company's performance based on certain parameters. Now let's understand that just like anything else, a company doesn't become successful in one day. For example, today, if Tata is such a big company, it didn't happen overnight. Every day there must have been some changes, right? In fundamental analysis, we look at the overall performance of the company, but in technical analysis, we study the daily, hourly, and even minute by minute changes in the company's stock prices. In technical analysis, we only study to interpret whether the price will move up or down. Okay, is it clear? Just like in fundamental analysis, we had certain parameters to study the company easily. In technical analysis, there are also some tools that help us to read the price movement like candlestick chart, indicators, price actions, Fibonacci, oscillators, etc. No matter what tools we use, our focus is always on studying the price of shares. Now, you must have a clear understanding of the difference between fundamental and technical analysis. Let's do a quick recap. In fundamental analysis, we study companies for long-term investment, while in technical analysis, we focus on short-term investment. Like one day, 1 hour, we study share price movement to earn money through intraday trading, swing trading, or option trading. I know these terms might be new to many of you, but don't worry, I will explain them all in details. I hope you learned a lot from this video. In the next video, we will talk about the software and reading materials needed for technical analysis. So don't miss it. Until then, keep learning and thank you for watching.